Hey guys, so after repacking our bags like 20 times, we're finally ready to go. We're gonna be going out the door in about 10 minutes here to hit the airport. Buen Camino. Well, here we are, day one of our Camino de Santiago. We're doing the Portuguese way, and we're all kicking off. We finally got just out of the city, so we're getting to see some actual nice countryside now. Looking forward to it. Day one, baby. Go. If I only had a brain. All right, guys, well, we've been walking many kilometers today. I think we're nearly getting up to 30 kilometers at this point. So we've decided we're gonna stop off in a town for the day called Salpad de Rubeus. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, but that's where we're gonna stop. It's got a museum, some great food, a hostel with 50 beds. So it sounds like the right place for us to stop. We'll see you when we get there. Not long now. All right, so we got to our municipal hostel, which is a donativo, so we made our donation and checked in. And then we got showered up, we cleaned our clothes, put them on the line, and now we're off for some food. We are hungry, we need a proper food, lunch, something. We've only eaten snacks all day, really. But the only restaurant in town is actually closed until 5 o'clock. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, grab a couple little snacks, drink some of that wine that we stupidly carried with us the whole way from Porto to lighten our loads rather, and then we'll make it back down to the restaurant for 5 p.m. and enjoy a nice pilgrim's meal for €5.50. Fantastic, that's my kind of price. Talk to you soon. Well, good morning, everybody. It is day 2 on our Camino de Santiago Portuguese. It is bright and early. You can hear the roosters crowing in the background. It's actually about 6:25 right now. We've been walking for a few minutes. There he is. Had a rather difficult night's sleep with a lot of snoring people, as you can expect, and a few bad dreams that ended up in yelling. So hopefully tonight's a better night's sleep. But looking forward to today. We're gonna have some beautiful scenery, some beautiful forest paths and everything. So talk to you again soon. So here we are in Barcelos, a well-deserved lunch and a little drink. Cheers. Cheers. Bom dia. Good morning. It is day 3 on our Camino Portuguese. Where did we stay last night? Tamal, right? We stayed in Tamal last night in the municipal albergue. And today we're on our way to Ponte de Lima, which is about, 21 kilometers, was it, Riley? Yeah, something like 21 kilometers. So it's a pretty easy day as far as the Camino goes. But we are going to take advantage of that, get all of our laundry done, and get a good rest in tonight. We've had some pretty bad sleep nights the last couple nights because of all the snoring and night dreams and things like that. So it's really been some tough time sleeping and getting going in the morning. So hopefully tonight we'll get a really good night's sleep. We're going to stay in a private albergue, and hopefully won't be many people there, or we can get a private room. So we'll let you know how that goes later. Buen Camino. So we're in Ponte de Lima now. It's been a long day in the hot sun with many blisters and shin splints and sore backs, but it was all worth it. And we're here now, currently walking over the Ponte de Lima, the bridge of the Lima River, which is one of the most beautiful spots. It is the oldest town in Portugal, and oh yeah, there's some great stuff happening over there on the river. But yeah, we're getting back out to go get a stamp from the local church, which you can see right back there. And then we're going to be going to grab a bite to eat because we are starving. So we'll check in again later. Hopefully we'll find a cafe. I've got a lot of snacks in my bag, and we've got those energy honey things, so we'll be good. So good morning, welcome to Dia 4, day 4 on the Camino de Santiago Portuguese. Last night we decided to stay in a private residence room that we rented. So we had a really good night's sleep with no snoring, no crazy night dreams and stuff like that. So we all got a really good night's sleep. We're all ready to go for today. Today we're walking to Rubiaes, which from what I understand, it's about between 18 and 20 kilometers, depending on what book you read. And basically it's supposed to be one of the most beautiful days because we walk on natural paths for more than half of the day, and there's no main roads we're walking on. So it's gonna be beautiful today. Swing low, sweet chariot. Yeah. Sun's just coming up. We've got a bunch of snacks in the pack to carry us through because apparently there's not a lot of support on this route today. And we don't even have an option to stop before Rubiaes because there's no hostels before then. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon and let you know how we go. We also have the biggest hill of the whole Camino Portuguese happening today. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Cheers. Hey guys, so we made it to Rubiaes. Say hi to the chickens. Basically, it was a long day with the highest inclination of the entire Camino Portuguese happening in one go today. It was straight up mountains, crazy hills, loads of rocks, and of course, lots of aches and pains. Same as every day on the Camino, but always worth it. So we arrived in Rubiaes and we are now already showered, got our clothes cleaned and up on the line, and we're starving. So we're walking down into town to see what kind of food we can find to eat, and our feet are pretty sore. But it's all worth it, of course.